This lock, it's a site where lots of great skiers come to bathe. So there's a potential risk, although unknown at the minute, to other species being sort of spread through water using this lock.
Follow.
There?
Yep.
So redneck phalaropes are one of the rarest breeding birds in the UK. So we're not talking thousands, we're not talking hundreds, we're talking very low to around just over 100 birds really. And that's based on, that's breeding males, so obviously females will supplement that as well. We manage lots of sites in Shetland, getting them ready for when these birds come back. My worst fear is that it goes into redneck phalaropes and red-throated diver and other key species that don't have thousands in terms of their populations. If it does transpire that it can be transmitted through water and through corpses being left in water, then that's just a risk we're not willing to take. That's it. Just getting my full PPE on. There's a couple of corpses that I know of down this area where we're heading. Heartbreaking. It doesn't get easier, and we're only what, a week or two into actually taking any action in terms of removing corpses. We don't know how useful it is, what we're doing will be, but if it proves to be useful, then we'll feel great. We did something, we got ahead of the action in a way, and we're able to remove things. And even if not, then so what? We've still been able to remove corpses from areas where, you know, where visitors can see them, where people, you know, are walking and enjoying Shetland this summer, but also where birds are going about their business. It's very difficult when you care so much about your work and what you do and care about the species that you deal with. And for me, it's not a case of, okay, switch off, you know, switch off outside of work and think about something different. Well, outside of work, I'm a birder, you know, that's what I like doing. So there is no switch off, it's constant. So sad. Heartbreaking. It just doesn't get easier, and it feels like it won't do. It feels like it's going to be a long summer.